Alright, so today is January 27th. I am going to pre-record these to save um, uh, internet usage, I guess. I'll post them later. So 15 minutes on the clock.
15 minutes counting down.
And so I'm trying to make these shorter versus the 30 minutes. I'll keep them 15 minutes. Um, do my review. So quickly, last week, I was struggling back and forth between here. I started bad, made up some of the loss, then ended up giving most of it back. Here, I made up this whole entire loss, got myself to break even for that week, and then give it all back on Friday. Saturday, on Monday, I gave some back. Monday, Tuesday, I didn't trade, didn't see anything. Wednesday, I didn't trade, and then on Thursday, I made up some of this loss, and then on Friday, I kind of got myself back to somewhat break even, but still down for the year. If I go to my thing here, we can see that I'm still down for the year. And then we're still using the idea of multiplying things by tens and hundreds, right? So I haven't been reviewing these losses here, realizing that I haven't been going with the actual trend of some of my entries. So um, what I'm talking about is that when we have this plethora of red, well, it's just a downtrend. I try to go long through it, and I'm basically trying to bulldoze through an area where price was just selling off strongly. So price needed to actually come up and clear all of this with some candles without any arrows. Like this here is above that, so the bottom part will be the more buy part. So now when we come back down here, I can now look for longs versus trying to long this one that hasn't really cleared any of the potential selling that happened. Right now we're in a severe downtrend. I did notice it last night. I did not expect us to drop this much this quick. Shoot, if I knew, I just would have just went short because I noticed that around here per se. Right, so we're down like, I think when I had said I marked it, we're down like 60 with NQ with ES, and then price went as far as down 185, so another 120 more points, and NQ is probably, oh, NQ is definitely much worse. Right, NQ was down, I think 140 or something like that, or this is it, 286, and then it went down almost 1100, right? So NQ has just been destroying all of my levels. Look how high this volume is pre-market. All right, this volume is insane. All right, so I did do my weekly, my daily, all of that, and we just been destroying and wrecking. And shit, I did not expect us to come this far down on NQ. We really just undid all of last week's move because we were rising on weak volume, and we just undid the whole thing, undid all of it. We hit that FOMC high on NQ, and just decided to just vomit. That's what it seems like. So detach. We're going to do setup. Make this large. I'll keep this like that. Let's this, so we can see that was in a severe downtrend. A lot of heavy red, just downtrending all in the RSIs. So what do I do with all of this? How much did we undo on this one? So kind of came to this here where volume kind of like peeked its head out a little bit. All right, so I have to do more deleting. Um, I have to do more deleting. So right now I'm in the 5 minute marker. 8 minutes.
8 minutes starting
So give me
now.
about 3 more minutes to wrap things out. So I'm gonna move a little faster and get through this as quickly as I can. Like I said, I started this yesterday, so I have to delete a lot more. So just delete all of this. None of this is important anymore. Even this pause phase there, none of that's important. All of this can go. May not even trade today until price really calms the heck down. All right, our weekly low is important. This can go. This can go. This can go. That was a 5 minute. Let's do a quick undo and see what it looked like on the 5 minute. Nice freaking hold. That's somebody's low. Alright, let's go back to the 30 minute. So that's where we had a lot of buying activity. Here we can see that price shot through. This is probably a news candle. So we came down to this area. Kind of like what I was hoping that I could have caught, but not like this. This is insane. Still buy territory. Our weekly has been destroyed. Get rid of this. Get rid of that. I'm going to keep the low from this date. Looks like this is the one that we gravitated more towards to. So I'm gonna keep that low. I'm gonna move this over because we have a lot of buying here as well. So I'll keep this low here. Zoom out and just see how price. So yeah, okay. So we're between a sandwich, I would say. Go to the 4 hour. Right, we got that strong selling. We have changed direction. We have a huge gap. 1 hour, definitely change of direction. Buying is still potentially down here. As you can see, price did bounce off of this area. Looks like we never cleared this little buy here. This one we did. Right, so usually just looking for things that are cleared. Being aware of that. The selling here don't have anything to really back it up as much. I wanted to check the daily to see if any selling came up. No. Okay. So 30 minutes. What was that? Okay, that's something I had marked. I think I added from the daily. So we have a lot going on here, so that's fine. All right. Let's do 1 hour. Okay. Now let's do the 30 minutes, but we're just gonna add it. Yeah. Okay. So this is still selling territory right here. We do have a pause right here. I like this pause. This also, look at that. Nope, never mind. I don't see it. A pause right here. 30-minute absorption. Gotta move a little faster, but focus. No need to rush. That doesn't help anything. 30-minute absorption. Strong volume here. So that this is a total sell off. Like nothing's there to help back that up. Let's go to the 15-minute. 15-minute has a pause right here. Has an absorption right here. Alright, so let's go to that absorption. Activate absorption, duplicate it, bring that up, 15-minute. And then we'll look for price to give us a reaction. There, here we have the 15-minute pause for RSI. Minute RSI pause. That I don't mind leaving it like sure, why not. Alright, so we have that. We have a 15-minute absorption down here from the buy side. Plus bottom. And then let's go to the I mean, this is a tight range. I doubt that we'll be trading in this range from all this drop. I think we'll be larger, and I'm still very bearish. Let's go to the 5-minute. I don't have much time. Okay, I like this here. There's also a 5-minute pause. This is probably more important now. buy. Okay. Here, 5 minute pause and failed buy. All right, boom. Okay. So right here. So I definitely would like to see price nudge that. With another 5 minute pause right here. All right, so there's a lot going on here. We have a 5 minute absorption right here. Okay, I have 4 minutes. All right, and then I'll just continue on later. All right. I already had marked my highs and lows from yesterday. Let's go to the 30 minute. I want to see what the opening and my highs and lows are here. At 3 a.m. Also, is a pause, drop. Let's do 15 minute. Just looking at volume, anything that stands out. That one stands out a little bit. Looking at RSIs, looking for anything weird. Okay, the 1 minute is also important. Can't ignore that. It has bit me in the butt several times. Look at all of these. All right, what do I do with all of these? I'm just gonna mark them. Yeah, it's gonna mark them 1 minute. Nothing I can do about all of that. It's too much. So I'm gonna mark them like this. I'll mark this one here. That's what price came off of. This one here. I got about 3 minutes. All right. So just areas of just where price kind of like pause a little bit and continue pausing. So those are the areas there. And then also over here, did we clear this? Yeah, we did clear that. Okay. We see buyings coming into them. Just need price to just do its thing. Let's do NQ. And then I'll be stopping soon. I got 2 minutes. Nothing I can do about all of this. Here I am moving as quickly as I can, but I'm not gonna get the whole thing done. What a destruction of levels. Set in gap, failed, creating a new gap. All of this can go. I'm gonna keep this low. Let's go to the 30 minute. Let's go to the 4 hour real quickly. Whoa. We came all the way down to this bottom. Let's go to the daily. Alright, no volume. 4 hour came down to the bottom. It bounced. 1 hour, same bottom here. See that price here, held that. Bounced nicely, it's bouncing nicely. 15 minutes. Nothing I can really add. All of it is just a straight flush down. Probably could start it here. I mean, I don't think that's really gonna add anything to it, but I'm gonna add it anyways. 30 minutes. I'm gonna keep it orange. Let's go to 15 minute. Straight flush, a royal flush. We'll add the 15 minute one here. Yeah, I don't think I can really do anything with NQ. I do like this down here, I guess. Work with that one right here. All right, so we have that 2-minute bounce. I'm gonna keep that high like that. We have a pause here. We have 2 absorption points. I'm gonna mark them. They're my absorption points. 15-minute abs. We also have another one right by the weekly. All right, that's time, guys. I'll try to wrap this up right by the weekly, and then 5-minute absorption. Came back to it, bounced a little higher. We have a selling point here. We have a pause. This is also a 5-minute pause. And then we have a strong selling suit here. We have a nice pause here. So I'm just gonna have to just be cautious of just how I'm trading this. It's a lot. All right, we have a heavy pause right here. Minor pause. Probably that's the one that actually did that. Uh, 5-minute pause. And that one is kind of like hard to really tell what's going on. Let's go to the Alright, still don't trust that. Might just even delete them. I trust the rejections more than I trust the reversals. 1 minute. Alright, I definitely like this one up here. Like this here, and then drop. I'm definitely liking this. Also this one up here. So we'll try to work with these pauses that we have here. Let's go back to the 5-minute. It's now 17 minutes in. That's a lot of buying came in right there. The last selling point was up here. Let's go to NQ. ES. So ES doesn't have that heavy buying. Last selling was right here. Alright, but they're both going towards an area where price has rejected. I'm really liking this here. Let's do VIX. I have to do settlement price. I have to do some other things too. VIX, I'm going to keep it the way it is. On a heavy buying trend, still need to clear all of that, so VIX will stay the way it is. Let's go back to ES and let's do settlement price. Some price amongst the clusters. Volume down there is insane. Seven price amongst the cluster. This volume here is insane volume right here. Like sheesh. Alright, so settlement price, then earnings or news. We have 10 a.m. news. Chicago Fed came out 8:30. The price actually moved heavily. No. All right, and then we had like I said, this week we have FOMC, Fed Chair Speaker, a lot of heavy news, and we have earnings. Um, you have earnings for Netflix here. That's not it. This one here. Tesla here, Meta, Microsoft, followed by Apple, Intel over here. All right, so that's it. I done did everything I could do. Just looking for rejection up here. Probably some green RSIs or absorption candles for reversal. Continue price down. All right, see you later. 20 minutes, not bad.